the great honor to induct Tom Waits into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
She took all my money and my best friend. You know the story. Yeah, it comes again. I've no pride. I've no shame. You got to make it rain. You got to make it rain. Since you're gone, deep inside it hurts. I'm just another sad guest on this dark earth. I wanna believe in the mercy of the world again. Make it rain. You got to make it rain. Night's too quiet, stretched out alone. I need the living thunder and the wind's dark road. I'm not able, I'm just Cain. Open up the heavens, may it rain. I'm close to heaven. Crushed at the gate and sharpen their knives on my mistakes. What she done, you can't give it a name. You got to make it rain. You got to make it rain. You got to make it rain. Make it rain. You got to make it rain. 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 You got to make it rain.
This is very heavy. I just want to know if there's a keychain version of this so I can keep it with me. Just in case I hear someone say, Pete, take the cups off. I think he's a Hall of Famer. So just a